In this iPage review, I am going to show everything that you need to know about iPage, including the speed test, ease of use, customer support review, pricing, and pros and cons. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make an iPage hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the description link and get yourself a discount if one's available. iPage is one of the widely popular web hosts that is used by over 1 million websites all around the world. iPage was originally founded in 1998 and is now operated by the same EIG Endurance International Group that controls other popular web hosts like Bluehost, HostGator, etc. Let's talk about iPage pricing. So from their web hosting page, you can see there is just one plan only. It's called the Go plan. And it costs you only $1.99 per month, and in general, it's really cheap, as you're getting unlimited websites for this plan, where normally hosting providers only give you one website on their cheapest plan, which is around $2 to $3. But iPage is giving you unlimited websites, so that's a good start. But remember, you've to pay $1.99 per month when you select the 36 months plan. If you select 24 months plan, then the monthly price will be $2.49 per month and $2.99 per month for the 12 months plan. And with their plan, you're also getting a free domain name for 1 year, a free SSL certificate, unlimited storage, free website builder, and a free standard email address. Now let's talk about iPage ease of use. Right away from their home page, you can see it looks very easy to navigate with their custom interface compared to the cPanel that a lot of other hosting providers use. The design is also very clean and simple looking here. On the left side of the panel are all the different things that you can do, like access your WordPress website or access your email account and even your security, domain, and name servers. So installing WordPress, SSL, and creating a free email account is easy enough from the dashboard. I really like that they have a super clean looking interface with custom shortcut buttons to install and create things instead of having to go to cPanel all the time. But the only disappointing thing here is that they don't guide you well when installing your SSL certificates or creating email accounts. They tend to mislead you into their upsell a bit too much. Now let's talk about iPage speed and performance. So after we have installed the basic WordPress site, then we added some design elements to it to increase the page size. And we also installed some free plugins to speed up the website. We installed WP Fastest Cache, which is for speed optimization, and Short Pixel, which is for image optimization. And lastly, we installed the free Cloudflare app, which will also increase the website performance with their CDN for free. Then I went ahead, tested out the speed of my website using GTmetrix. And the result is 3.5 seconds, which is just way too slow compared to the top performing hosting providers in our test. Google recommended page load speed is 3 seconds. They are just near them but can't be able to pass the Google recommended page load speed on my test. I have been monitoring the stability performance of iPage with Uptime Robots, and can report that their uptime for the last 30 days is a perfect 100%. In fact, they have not had any downtime for over 57 days in a row, which is very impressive. Their speed just wasn't fast enough. Other shared hosting providers can give you speed performance twice as fast as iPage. On the positive side though, they are a very reliable host and their uptime was perfect. Now let's talk about iPage customer support. iPage provides 24/7 customer support through email, live chat, and phone calls. With regards to their response time, we contacted him at 3 different times of the day, to make sure I get an overall average and not just a biased fast response time during their off-peak hours. The average of those 3 times turns out to be 5 seconds. This is definitely the fastest out of all hosting providers we have tested out so far, with amazing response time here. Support overall was average. Their support staff's knowledge and willingness to help was pretty bad. They tried to upsell us at the end of a conversation too, which was really not good. They should be spending time trying to help us instead of selling to me. But their response time was the fastest we have ever tested at an average of 3 seconds. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of iPage. So the first pro is that their uptime performance is great, 100%. They have easy to use back-end system. Their prices are also very cheap. And last, their response time was also great. Talking about the cons. So the first con is that they have a data server location in the USA only. Also, their website page load speed is slow at 3.5 seconds. They don't provide the free daily automated backup feature. They try to upsell a lot and last, their support team is not willing to help and technical are lacking. Now let's talk about who should purchase iPage hosting. iPage is a reliable hosting provider at a cheap price and has an easy to navigate back in. But it really ends their speed is too slow and their support team is not good enough for me. There are other hostings that you can choose for better speed. But if you are a beginner and looking for the cheapest web hosting, then iPage is a good choice for you. Also, if you're ready to make an iPage hosting purchase, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.